Do you want to optimize even further your practice on the piano to be able to learn even faster and to master the techniques to learn a new song even easier? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to become a successful musician. In this video, I want to help you to go even further in your practice to learn faster a new song and to take the most benefit of any practice session. Because the idea is to optimize your time and to be efficient. Well, productive, even more than efficient, be productive. So the idea is very simple. It's a mental exercise that I recommend you to do, which is called visualization. It's not something new. It's something used a lot by athletes, but also by professional musicians. And I already mentioned that in a previous video. But I want in this one to stress the point on the visualization technique. So the idea is very simple. Let's take an example. You want to play a song, or even you want to learn a new song that you already know. Before playing it or practicing it, what I recommend is that you first pause, you relax, you close your eyes if you wish, and you visualize yourself playing the full song from start to end. And the idea is really to feel everything, feel your fingers playing, pressing the keys on the keyboard, to hear the music, to feel everything which is related. And if you sing along with the piano, also visualize yourself singing every note. And I want you to feel and to imagine the ideal performance that you would like to do on this song. This way, you will prepare your mind, your brain, to what you will do. Because you see, when we play the piano or any musical instrument in that matter, we use mainly our brain in the end. We have to practice, to physically practice, so that our fingers follow what our brains want. But the main work is there. So that's why visualization is very powerful and is used by, as I already mentioned, by many athletes and professional musicians before performance. They live the performance before it happens, and it really prepares you, it conditions your mind to give the best performance. But even if you are a beginner or intermediate player, at any level, in fact, you can use with benefit this technique. And I took this example of a song, but it can be any exercise. It can be if you want to practice a scale, for example, or arpeggios, whatever thing you want to practice, whatever the purpose is of your session. Because as I recommend you will learn much more and faster if you set a purpose for each practice session. So set your purpose, your goal. Then, before taking action, take some time, a few minutes, to visualize yourself, but really with as realistically as you can, playing this exercise, playing this song, and feel that with all your body and with your ears, and if it was the ideal performance that you would like. So that was my message for today. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. And before you leave, I have a question. So what is your goal, your next purpose in your practice? And have you already tried this visualization technique before? And what are your thoughts about that? Let's start the discussion, and I will meet you in the next video.